What's up, everyone? My name is Mark Plant, and this is MPV Vlogs. Like I said, my name is Mark Plant, and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the vlog, please hit that subscribe button. Helps the channel out a lot. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Hit the bell icon right down on the bottom next to the subscribe button. You get a notification anytime I put up a new video like this one. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you are hitting that bell icon and you're using a mobile device, just make sure notifications are allowed or you won't get the notification. So this real quick into this video here. Last video or the video before, I had bought a Garmin dash cam. The dash cam is great. Check out some of the video here. But the problem that I have is on the back here, the adhesive came off on my window. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. So rather than having to replace it, it had come with a couple of replacement knobs, dongles, whatever you want to call it. Mounts. I guess that's a mount. Can't find them. And basically, that's just going to happen to me again. And what I don't want happening is the camera falling down while I'm driving. It could distract me or, something like that. So what I did was I went on Amazon and I got the Garmin suction cup mount. So we're going to see if this works any better. I used a suction cup mount in my previous vehicle for my GoPro and used that as a dash cam, and it worked very well. So hopefully this works. So not really going to do too much of an unboxing. I'll open up the box. I'll see what's inside of it. Should just be the suction cup. Actually, I think it might be a little bit more. When they include an Allen's wrench and a couple of the nibs, it might be a little bit more involved to it. All right, so I gotta save those things because the nib is already on it. So that makes it nice and easy. So these nibs are really tight, so to get this off, I just hope I don't break the camera. Nope, popped right off. So like I said, I know the moment I go downstairs, I'm going to find those nibs, but that's what the nib, why do I keep on calling nib? Mount looks like. So we'll put that back in the box, save that. I'll put these back in the box and put it somewhere where I'm not going to lose it this time. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the camera, we're going to take the mount, and it should just snap right in. There we go. Then what happens is this goes up on the windshield, the suction, and then I line the camera up like that. But what I got to do, like I said, I don't know whether you're going to pick it up, is some of the adhesive is stuck on my windshield. So I got to use some rubbing alcohol. Sorry about that. I'm using my GoPro and it's mounted onto the windshield, the side window of my truck, and it started sliding. But like I was saying, I got to use the rubbing alcohol and I got to get that adhesive off. So hopefully I don't make a big mess here. It's not a good idea using rubbing alcohol on your hand when you got a cut on it. All right, so I got that. What I'm going to do now is let's hook the camera up. I had to unhook all the wiring. If you watched the last video, I'll put it up in the corner. You'll see how I had it wired up. But let's hook the camera up, and I got to start the truck up. Okay, this camera's booting up. So it's recording now. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the phone here. Drive is the name of the app. Okay, so let's check out live view. What we'll do is use this so that I can see and line up the camera properly. There we go. All right, so you can see what the camera sees. Let's peel this off. Let's find a place for it where I can't see it over here. It's stuck already. Wow, that's good suction. Come here. How does that look? It's not too bad. Oops, get a button there. Huh. Well, it's not working too well. Can't see the hood. Maybe I gotta put it like so. Get a better angle. No, because then I'm gonna catch that thing. Huh. Maybe I gotta take this thing off. Okay, let's connect again. Okay, there we are. Let's line this up. I want it behind my mirror so I can't see it. I'm gonna have to switch to that other bit. All right. So we gotta take the camera out of this. I'll put that over here so it doesn't get damaged. What is the little nib on this? It doesn't go out far enough. This nib is a little bit longer and has an angle, so it's going to help me with the windshield. There we go. Okay, so you can see it's got a little bit longer and I'll be able to get a better angle on it. You know what? I put it on upside down. Darn it. So this is going to go on the windshield an angle like this. As I got my neighbor's dog across barking. Alright, so it's all put together now. Let's plug this back in. Turn the truck back on. Alright, so it's on. Let's get back into
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Yeah, I don't need you to help me with that. Let's check out the live view. We're going to have to connect or join. So I want to make sure that I put it in a good spot. That way the mirror kind of blocks it. That looks pretty good. My neighbor across the street, their front door is at like almost 180-degree angle, so I've got a pretty good. And then the car, yeah, that's really good. Okay, so that looks like it's good. Looks like it's all set up. Let me go back to drive. Let me save a video. Okay, so that's saving the last 30 seconds. This review video. Connecting to the Wi-Fi again, gotta join. Okay, so July 7th, that's today. And a little crooked. That's not bad. All right, so that's hooking the suction cup dash cam mount for the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Whew, that's a lot to remember there. But it worked out pretty good. Really good price on it. I'll put a link to this product below. It was fairly easy to set up. Now I just got to put my wiring back and we'll be all set. But thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Like I said earlier, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Really helps me out. If you're already a subscriber, hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button. You'll get a notification anytime I put up a new video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. That's fine. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. That's it. So, Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys again real soon.